I'm going to take you through the COVID-19 numbers as of today in the country. Here's cutting across to our numbers. 5,21,808 COVID-19 active cases as of today. We've seen a sharp jump there. We're looking at COVID-19 cases, the death toll so far in the country at 1,61,843. And then we have the recovered numbers, which look quite promising at 1,13,55,993. So these are the COVID numbers as of today given in by the Health Ministry, where we're looking at a sharp rise in active cases of COVID-19 in the country across of India. We're looking at Maharashtra, Delhi, Karnataka, pole-bound states as well, looking at a surge. Now, the Festival of Colours, Holi, is being celebrated amid threat of a second COVID wave. Keeping in mind the surge in the number of COVID-19 cases, some states and union territories have brought back restrictions to contain the virus spread. Delhi, Maharashtra, Haryana, Goa and Bihar have now imposed curbs on public Holi celebrations. However, people at several places can be seen taking part in Holi celebrations, throwing caution to the wind. In fact, from Mathura to Ujjain to Bhopal, people were seen gathering in large numbers to celebrate the festival of Holi. People can also be seen flouting social distancing norms, and many could be spotted without masks as well. Devotees also thronging famous temples to offer their prayers. We're looking at a COVID surge at a time like this, people enjoying festivities without caution.
Given the record surge in COVID cases and night curfew in place, how is Mumbai celebrating Holi? We came here in Prabhadevi at a chawl called Siddheshwar. Here we got to see people celebrating Holi but wearing masks. We thought we'll speak with them as to what has changed, because even in the new world, new era of COVID, festivals will be celebrated and they are being celebrated, but there are fears among people about night curfew, about following protocol. 2 साल से होली जो है, रंग पंचमी जो है, वो कोविड में पड़ रही है. तो क्या बदला है इस साल, आप किस तरह से सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं?
हम इस साल ऐसे कर रहे हैं ना कि हम लोग बहुत डर के मारे हम लोग ज्यादा बाहर नहीं जा रहे, क्योंकि वो नियम जो बोला गया है वो बस उसका पालन कर रहे हैं. हम अंदर के अंदर ही जो अपने हिसाब से जो हो रहा है आराम हम लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं.
छोटे पैमाने पे कर रहे हैं, कम टाइम के लिए कर रहे हैं, मास्क पहन के.
हाँ, मास्क पहन के लिए सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग रखा है, लेकिन क्या है लड़के लोग छोटे हैं तो उसका पालन मतलब होता नहीं है, फिर भी वो अपने हिसाब से कर रहे हैं. और बस ज्यादा पानी भी का यूज नहीं कर रहे, जिससे कल दोबारा अपने को बुखार हो जाएगा, तकलीफ होएगा, उससे फिर और परेशानी हो जाएगी. इसके लिए हम लोग सावधानी से हम लोग सब कर रहे हैं.
The instruction given by BMC is also same. No large-scale celebrations, small celebrations in compounds following COVID protocol is the need of the hour. With camera person Mangesh Ambre, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
Behind me is Chandigarh's famous water spot, Sukhna Lake, which wears a deserted look, that too on a holy day. It is very unusual on a holy day that Sukhna is wearing a deserted look. The local administration, keeping in view the rising COVID-19 cases, has in fact banned Holi celebrations at public places, be it the Sukhna Lake, parks or the Sector 17 Plaza. If we talk about Punjab, has reported highest number of cases during the past 1 year, that is during the past 24 hours. 3,176 fresh cases have been reported and 59 deaths have been reported in various places in Punjab. In Punjab, so far, over 66 people have died of COVID-19, and the state government has already imposed a night curfew in 11 districts, including Ludhiana, which is worst hit. What has added to the woes of the state government is the UK strain, as 81% cases and sampling of genome sequencing has revealed that the new cases are reporting the UK strain. The local administration is keeping an eye on all the developments, and gathering of more than 100 people have been banned. Though the state government has so far failed to keep an eye on the rallies being organized by the political parties and farmer union leaders. What has added to the woes of the state government is the higher fatality rate, which is almost double the national average. With video journalist Dilip Sahu, Manjit Sehgal in Chandigarh for India Today.
पहले के अकॉर्डिंग मतलब बिल्कुल ठंडा है, कोरोना के लेके जो है लोगों के अंदर अभी भी दहशत है, इसलिए रोड पे तो लोग दिख ही नहीं रहे। तो इतने टाइम में तो लोग काफी लोग रोड में दिखते थे, इस बार लोग नहीं दिख रहे हैं। बिल्कुल सन्नाटा का माहौल है। बाजार जो स्थिति रहता था, इस बार बाजार का भी स्थिति बिल्कुल खस्ता रहा।
Now, speaking to India Today, Union Health Minister Harshvardhan appealed to people to not lower their guard in the wake of the second COVID wave. Let's take a listen what he exactly had to say on that.
बहुत आपका जो कामकाज है पिछले एक साल से जिस तरीके से चल रहा है और अभी तक जिस तरह से हम नियंत्रण में रख पाए हैं कोरोना के केसेस को, क्या ये दूसरी लहर भी निकल जाएगी? कितनी चिंता है सरकार को?
नहीं, देखिए, निश्चित रूप से चिंता का तो कारण है और सबके लिए कारण होना चाहिए। खाली सरकार के लिए या स्वास्थ्य मंत्री के लिए ही नहीं, अपितु देश के हर नागरिक के लिए चिंता का कारण होना चाहिए। और देश के नागरिकों को और सरकारों को सबको ये समझना चाहिए कि अब जब एक साल में हम कोविड के खिलाफ जंग लड़ने के सारे तरीके सीख चुके हैं और विषम से विषम परिस्थितियों से भी बाहर निकलकर हम एक प्रकार से सफलता की चरम सीमा की तरफ बढ़ रहे थे, ऐसी स्टेज पर अब कोविड एप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर के अंदर हमारी तरफ से किसी भी किस्म की लापरवाही जो है वो किस प्रकार से केसेस को दोबारा से बढ़ने की ओर ला सकती है, ये हमको नजर आ रहा है। मैं इसको इस तरह से कहूंगा कि शायद कोविड तो अब समाप्त होना चाहता है, कोविड तो जाना चाहता है, लेकिन हम लोग को शायद कोविड से ज्यादा प्रेम हो गया है, इसलिए हम लोग कोविड को जाने नहीं देना चाहते। जिस प्रकार से समाज में हम देख रहे हैं कि लोग अब इतना कैजुअली ले रहे हैं, इतना लाइटली ले रहे हैं, कोई मास्क को ठीक से गंभीरता से नहीं पहनता है। जो बेसिक 4-5 बातें बताई गई हैं जो बिल्कुल आसान है, मास्क को ठीक ढंग से पहनना, साबुन से हाथ धोते रहना, 2 गज की दूरी बनाकर रखना और अपने जो इन्फेक्टेड हाथ हैं उनको बार बार नाक मुंह पर आंख पर नहीं लेके जाना। यही तो बातें हैं जो बार बार कही गई हैं। अब अगर इन बातों को भी अगर फॉलो करने में हम किसी प्रकार से जो है कैजुअल ढंग से काम कर रहे हैं तो ये निश्चित रूप से हम सबके लिए चिंता का विषय है।
Now, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has warned of a relock after the state recorded its highest COVID spike in the last few months. Chairing a COVID meet there, Uddhav Thackeray has said that his government had no option but to relock if people continue to violate COVID norms. Uddhav's remarks now has come at a time when Maharashtra COVID Task Force suggested a relock in the state of Maharashtra, which continues to remain a COVID hotspot after 40,414 cases and 108 deaths were reported on Sunday. Mumbai yet again reported its highest ever single-day spike at 6,923 cases. Pune recorded 4,426 cases. Nagpur recorded 3,970 cases. Nanded recorded 1,310 cases. Now, a statewide night curfew has kicked off across Maharashtra on Sunday evening. Let's take a quick look at all the restrictions that are in place during the curfew time. The night curfew that's now come into place from 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. Public places now to remain shut. Only 5 people can gather in public places. A fine of ₹500 will be imposed for those violating the norms for not wearing masks. Fine of ₹1,000 for spitting. 80% contact tracing within 72 hours. Contact tracing for up to 14 days will continue. Let me cut across to Pankaj Upadhyay. Pankaj Upadhyay, here's a Holi celebration which are muted in Maharashtra. Mumbai particularly, we're seeing a rise in COVID cases. At least over 60% of the total India's COVID toll of active cases now comes from Maharashtra. At a time like this, we believe Uddhav Thackeray is already mulling over a lockdown. Is there a remote possibility of another lockdown?
Oh yes, the Chief Minister in his meeting has clearly said that the state now needs to prepare for another lockdown because the officials feel with the cases rising in a dangerous fashion, perhaps the health infrastructure might be inadequate to take care of the rising numbers. And it's not just one or two places in the state. There are multiple places like Mumbai, Thane, Nashik, Amravati, Akola, Nanded, Nandurbar, Pune, of course, along with Nagpur. These are some of the prominent places where the increase has been to a dangerous level. And that is the reason why perhaps Uddhav Thackeray has said that the state now again needs to plan for a lockdown. What we are hearing from our sources is that the decision could come as early as 48 hours. That's what the COVID task force members have also impressed upon the chief minister, that earlier the decision taken, the better. And what we are also learning that this lockdown could be of a short period, possibly of 15 days time. What the chief minister has also said that the people have been very careless. There has also been delay in testing and consequent treatment, which has also added to the numbers. Most of the people have not been abiding by the simple basic rule of wearing the face mask. And if the numbers are anything to go by, then the Brihanmum Municipal Corporation managed to collect a fine of more than 44 crores in the last 10 months. That in itself shows that people have not been cooperating with the agencies as well.
Absolutely,
So yes,
Pankaj. Thank you very much for joining us with those details. Because
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.